is Michelle Clark and I'm a mother of 3 children and work in the childcare industry. This presentation is about deforestation in the Amazon and how it affects the golden lion tamarin. So, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the destruction of trees and forests on a large level and that in turn is not replaced at the same rate. Why is the Amazon so important? It is the world's largest and most diverse rainforest left in the world. The rainforest is home to 10% of the known species in the world, with many more new species being discovered. In fact, since 2010, 440 new plants and animal species have been discovered within the Amazon. 20% of the world's oxygen and 1/5 of the world's water is also produced from the Amazon. Over the centuries, the Amazon has been relatively left alone by humans, but over the last 50 years it has lost 17% of its trees to mostly farming and agriculture. Why focus on the golden lion tamarin? The Amazon rainforests are threatened as many parts of the Amazon are cleared for the purpose of agriculture, farming and infrastructure, putting at risk many animal species such as the golden lion tamarin who live within the Amazon. There is only 2 protected areas within the Amazon with about 350 inhabitants. The golden lion tamarins are therefore so heavily reliant on the forest trees, not only as their source of food, but shelter and protection as well. The intense logging, ranching and farming has resulted in the reduction of tree species that the golden lion tamarin inhabit and therefore threaten the species. Even though there are 600 golden lion tamarins in captivity throughout the world, and such programs as the Species Survival Plan has been created to breed and also reintroduce the golden lion tamarins back into the Amazon, there is a high mortality rate with 70% dying in the first year of release due to not knowing how to feed themselves. When the golden lion tamarins are reintroduced, the problem still remains that deforestation continues and therefore the species continues to be threatened. Methodology. The initial investigation required expanding on as the research was not detailed enough, in particular the causes of deforestation in the Amazon. This led to utilising Google Search and Google Scholar engines and also using specific words in a search such as Amazon, logging, illegal logging, soy farming, cattle ranching, endangered animals and golden lion tamarin. Finding research that was not emotionally biased was challenging, but by using the Google Scholar engine, the information was more about the facts and not the emotion, and with specific journals, not websites that had previously been used. Key findings: the causes of deforestation. Cattle ranching is big business in Brazil with over 200 million head of cattle and the largest beef exporter in the world. The cattle industry requires more land to convert grass into protein as grass is burnt off to replenish soil, therefore clearing more land. The INPE states nearly 7,989 square kilometres of land was cleared between August 2015 and July 2016. With soy farming being the second highest exporter in the world, it in turn consumes a large portion of land, 24 to 25 million hectares in fact, to grow the crop. Soy farming is pushing farmers further into the Amazon and in turn the farmers are using protected lands and performing illegal logging. The World Ecology Report states, Brazil has discussed reducing the deforestation by 80% by 2020 as part of its contribution to lowering global carbon emissions. Unfortunately, if soybean consumption continues to climb, the economic pressures to clear more land could make this difficult. Is there a solution for the golden lion tamarin's future? Translocation improves a higher rate of survival for the golden lion tamarin as they are moved to another location which has a more suitable habitat. The expansion of protected areas within the Amazon will assist in the preservation of the species. This can be achieved through rehabilitation and increased productivity of formerly forested lands. Reforestation can also provide the opportunity for ecosystems to recover through the process to replant and generate to its natural environment and recover its function and biodiversity. Reforestation comes at a cost though and requires funding and knowledge and skills to facilitate the program. The links to the curriculum is best suited to the years levels 3 to 6. Science understanding encourages students to investigate how the golden lion tamarin needs food and shelter from the trees that are in danger, and then how science as a human endeavour reflects that loss of habitat caused by human impact is linked to logging from soy farming and cattle ranching. Through science understanding, students will pose questions to plan for the future of the golden lion tamarin and come up with the solutions. They will also learn to discover that the growth and survival of the golden lion tamarin is influenced by the loss of habitat. Thank you for listening to the presentation about deforestation in the Amazon and how it affects the golden lion tamarin.